Hello everyone, thanks so much for clicking on this video. This is what WWADD, let's save lives together. In today's video we are going to do something interesting. We are going to be learning, and I hope you enjoy today's video like how we are going to enjoy it. Okay, so without further much I say or do, I'm going to explain to you what we are going to be doing. Okay. So I have some papers here on which I wrote the names of organs in our body. Okay, we are going to be learning some of the organs in our body in French and others in Ewe. Okay, so Gabriel is going to pick a paper, then he's going to try to mention the name of the organs in the languages I just said, French or Ewe. He doesn't know what is inside this box, so yes, we are going to be seeing how genuinely he knows the organs of the body. Without further much I say, let's just get right into the video.
Okay, I have a question. Why did you choose Ewe?
Well, because a lot of people want to learn Ewe, actually. A lot of people want to learn Ewe.
Specifically about the organ?
Yes, about the organs of the body. And French, because most of us are reading French, okay? It wouldn't hurt to know one or two things in French, the organs of the body especially.
Okay.
So yes.
I hope I do my best.
You are going to do your best.
I hope you have the answers too.
Yes.
Then that makes you an Ewe.
Yes, I'm an Ewe, proudly Ewe.
Okay.
Number 9.
Okay, welcome.
So you're going to pick one.
No, but you should mix it.
Okay. So I'm mixing it. Okay, so you pick one.
Okay, let me pick. Should I show it to the camera?
Yes, you can.
Are you sure?
If he opens it and you know it, be sure to write it in the comment section, okay? Before he says the answer.
But I think it's better we write it on the screen because I can be moving closer.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so this is actually, you can see for yourself.
Yes, we have mouth.
Mouth is the simplest one, okay?
Yes, so.
Yeah, in Ewe we call this Enu.
Okay, yes. In Ewe we call it Enu.
I was actually expecting an organ. So I should say it in French too?
No,
okay.
Ewe is enough. So mouth in Ewe is Enu.
Okay.
Mouth, Enu.
Okay. I get that.
So he's going to the next one.
Okay. This is going to be faster than I thought.
Foot in French.
Yeah, this.
If you know the answer, type it before he says it.
Yeah, foot. It's pied.
Okay, actually it's pied. Actually it's pied.
Oh,
okay.
Do you have another name for it?
No, it's actually pied. So it's going to pick the next one.
Okay.
Let me see.
French.
Bones in French.
Okay, French.
Bones.
OS.
Yeah.
OS.
Yeah. Did you know?
But they are not really tough. I thought it to be tough. Maybe I'm being lucky. Yeah.
Yes, maybe he's being lucky.
Yeah. So far I've gone for 3 and they are all correct.
And FI is a medical student, so he should know it. That's why maybe it's simple for him. Okay. You're picking the next one.
Okay.
This
one.
Kidney in Ewe. Kidney in Ewe.
This one is very tough, trust me. Kidney in Ewe. And you know it?
Yes, I know it.
Did you Google it?
Yes, I Googled it.
That's why.
You're proud Ewe.
Yeah,
so
I should know it. Kidney.
The Ewe is in the house.
Let me do it in French.
No, try in
Ewe.
In Ewe. The Ewe is in the house. Kidney in French. You said it's easy. You said I'm giving you easy stuff.
Yeah, I was.
Edgy is hard.
Yeah, I know.
So kidney.
Let's push this one under the carpet. Seriously? Can I Google it? Let me.
Should we Google it? No. If you want to know what kidney is in Ewe, you will have to watch because you are going to see it at the end of the video.
Not now.
Not now.
Okay, cool.
Yes, you have to wait. So the next one.
No, I should know kidney.
Kidney.
Yeah, maybe I'll remember kidney. It's very difficult. It's so simple like.
Yes, we don't usually use kidney. So
kidney.
You don't know. Next one.
It's a pair of organ.
Yes. In the urinary system.
This one is simple.
Yes.
The hair.
The hair in
Great
French.
that you are not giving me organs that are inside the body. So yeah. So So French is cheveux.
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 Yes.
Yeah, you about hair. I guess that's the
Yes.
reason why you wrote the hair.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. And the next one, stop bothering about the kidney.
This one is simple.
Which
But
one?
I should know the kidney if I know this one. The heart.
Okay.
Well, the heart is...
If you were paying close attention, I think you mentioned it earlier.
Yeah.
So the heart,
It's edgy.
edgy.
Where's
Yes.
the heart?
It's, I think it's in the,
Here.
yes,
Here.
somewhere here.
It's actually in the left part of our chest.
Yes.
No, slightly left. Well, yeah.
Okay, like the stomach, how the stomach is slightly
Yeah,
left.
good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Learning something
Okay.
new today.
Neck.
me see.
Neck.
Yes, neck in airway.
Neck. Neck. Am I forgetting my way?
Neck. The neck.
Okay, echo. Yeah.
Neck. My
Echo.
neck.
Yeah, echo. Echo. Okay.
The next one.
Why didn't you put this in French?
I know you know it in French.
Yeah. Brains.
So the brains in airway.
Baba. Brains.
Brains.
Yeah, it's susu. Right? But it's susu, yeah, I know.
Susu.
Do you have any
Susu.
not susu, like not the one?
I
the
know,
susu
I
box,
know.
Yeah.
Susu is kind of like,
Yeah, I know what you are thinking.
Susu is not really brains.
Yeah, I know.
The airways, please. If you know brains in
Susu.
airway, please type it down.
Susu. No, it's not susu. Yeah, I
It's
know.
not susu.
You Google that one too. Yeah, definitely. Because I will call it susu. Like when someone comes to the hospital and then you have a brain problem. How do I say this? in
Susu.
Ewe? With
Brains.
your brain.
Okay.
I'll get back to it.
You are going to pass it.
No,
You are going to the
I'll
next-
get back to it.
Okay.
Let me keep it.
So the kidney and the brains.
Yeah. I thought I would have done this thing without problem.
Let me see.
Yeah, buttocks.
Yes,
Buttocks.
in French.
Yeah, la fesse. It's not fez
Yeah.
like us in Fez in Rabat. Oh, sorry, in Morocco. La fesse.
FESSE.
La fesse.
Yes.
Okay.
So the next one for us. Leg in
Yeah.
French.
No, I thought it was in there.
No, in French. Leg in French.
Yeah, I know. Foot is pied. Okay. La jambe.
Yes.
Yeah, jambe. Oh yeah.
I was
good at-
thinking you were going to confuse the leg and the foot.
Yeah, no.
Yes. So-
Even here, the top here, the thigh. Did you write it?
no,
It's la cuisse. La cuisse.
Yes.
Yeah. Anytime going for meat, I say la
but
cuisse.
it's not in. I think I wrote it, but it's not in French. Maybe in Ewe. Maybe. Let me see.
Stomach in French.
Oh,
I
think
one
this is
easy.
simple.
It's been
Relate
hearing
to
about
me.
it. Voila.
The stomach in French. Type it if you know it.
There's no need to say it. They know it. Should
Okay.
Maybe they will think I don't know. Les stomach.
Le stomach.
Les stomach. Les
Yes.
stomach. Okay.
It sounds
it's
like
French.
English.
Yeah, but it's not English.
The spellings are quite different. Let me see. Tank in French.
Oh my god! I thought it was in there. I nearly said okay. Okay.
Tank in French.
Tank.
The tank in French.
Tank.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Our medical students, please, we are waiting.
Yes. Hey, no, left is lips.
Left
Yes,
is lips.
Tank.
Bush is mouth. So we are talking about the tongue.
Oh my god. This should be the.
Try. Are you feeling nervous? Because this should come to you naturally.
Yeah, I know.
Relax.
But like we hardly see people with this kind of disease.
Yes.
We did this in first year, right? You did it, so you know.
Yes, you should know
Can you
it.
just tell me secret enough? Come on. We can edit that pattern. Wait, like seriously?
Yes, the tongue.
Forgot about my.
Please write it if you know it again.
Terminology.
We are trying to learn, okay?
I'm calling you terminology.
Yes.
I know lang.
Tongue. I think it's
It's
lang.
lang.
Tongue
Yeah.
is lang.
Yeah, it's lang.
Yes.
Yeah, just like language. Yeah.
Exactly.
My mother tongue. Yeah. Look, that's how I remember it.
Yes,
definitely.
we have, I think, 3 more to go.
Yeah, tie in Ewe. But I was actually expecting intestine. I was actually expecting like tough things in the body.
No, please, for our viewers' sake.
Okay. We have this one, the tie.
The tie in Ewe.
Yeah, the tie in Ewe is atagba. Yeah, atagba.
Atagba.
Oh, can you say ata?
Yes.
But
Atagba as in like in Anglo.
Yeah, in Anglo.
Okay. We have Anglo Ewes and we have Bedome Ewes.
So you have Bedome?
Yes. So I think we call it ata.
Ata. But if you say ata, it's the whole thing, the whole leg. But we say atagba. Ekulu. The rest I forgot. Afo is the whole leg. Seriously, I forgot.
So the tongue, I said the tongue. The thighs, I think.
The thighs is for us we call it atagba. They will all agree with me.
Well, me we call it
people.
Ata. The Bedome people we call it ata.
Yeah. Okay. The Anglo people we call it atagba.
Okay, so
good. Now we should have done the whole video in Ewe. So I will speak Ewe. I really miss Ewe.
Yeah, some of our viewers don't know Ewe like that. So
perhaps
let me see which one.
You don't know Ewe. That's why you are trying to blame. Put it on the fingers.
Fingers in Ewe.
This is Ashi. This is Ashibide. You know Ashibide?
No. I didn't know that. I didn't know.
Ashibide.
Really?
Yeah. In Anglo people. Well, how do you call it?
I actually don't know.
You didn't Google that one?
I didn't Google
so
that.
You thought
I couldn't find that one on Google.
Oh, you get it. Yeah,
yes.
You get
really?
it. Yeah.
Ashibide.
Ashibide.
Hey. Okay.
You see, Google cannot even find it, so I'm more than Google.
You wish.
Yeah. I am. Not I.
see.
Oh, okay. I thought it was
appendix.
I thought it was in.
No, it's not in appendix in French.
Okay. Oh, it's simple. You just have to remove the X and add CE, so appendix. So
okay,
simple,
that's not what I saw on Google though.
Really? Are you sure?
Google said something different.
No. I am more than Google.
Appendix.
It's appendix.
Okay. I thought it was annex.
Annex?
Oui. I saw annex.
Well, maybe it's an annex because it's something called vertige. Something we don't need again. Okay,
yes. Yeah. Yes.
They believe that formerly it's used to, but it's actually very important. Okay, it helps in inflammation. Yeah, because that's when you have an inflammation, they actually help.
Teach.
And yeah, that's that. And it's a vertige. It means formerly they believe that it's used to digest cellulose. You know cellulose. Some kind of starch. I don't know. That one is.
Okay.
It's okay.
I'm lost, but let's continue.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, and the last one.
But you know that it has this kind of disease called appendicitis.
Yes.
About that.
That one I learned when you take a seed, it can go and grow in your appendix.
Yeah, you know.
It's true.
Yeah,
I thought it was a myth.
Yeah, if you take a seed, okay, what normally is supposed to happen is the seed has to travel to your intestine and come out eventually. But they pack inside, for instance, tomato seed. They pack inside the appendix. You know the appendix is kind of a channel which is on its own. Like you're on a road and then all of a sudden you fall into a
sharp
hole.
curve.
Good. So it falls over there and packs over there. And when it packs, you know, it is blocking. Maybe there's kind of some feces that will find its way over there, and when the feces are blocked over there, they generate germs and everything. So
it can actually grow.
No, not grow, but it can cause appendicitis. That's how bread causes it.
Yeah, but I'm saying people say when you take seeds, it
grows in your tummy. No,
yes, it grows in your tummy.
You can't become a tree man, please. Well, there's some disease they call a tree human. That's it's called Lewandowski-Lutz syndrome. Yeah,
teachers,
you learn about it.
Please, no, you didn't.
I didn't read
that.
it.
You didn't read it.
I thought
that's our last one.
The eyes. So the
eyes in Ewe.
The eyes. Enku.
Yes, Nyanku. My eyes.
So the ones that we were not able to do, that was
yes,
the kidney.
The kidney.
Someone would say the kidney.
And
and then the
brains.
The brain. No, but the brain is susu.
It's susu.
Everybody will agree with me. So what did you get on Google? Tell me.
I saw ahoho. Or is it ahuhu? Something.
It's susu. They will all agree with me. Hey guys, if you think it's susu, just comment in the comment section. Say Gabriel.
If you know anybody who is an Ewe, please ask the person what is brain in Ewe.
I have a lot of Ewe people watching this.
Yeah, so please.
You guys should.
Let us know. We are all trying to learn here.
Yeah, because it's to help you guys at the hospital when we come back. Like, I don't know if she will come back, but like when I come back, you know, it's up to you to decide, but not in front of our camera.
All right. And the kidney?
The kidney is called kidney.
There's nothing like kidney.
No, seriously, I should know kidney because there are a lot of diseases that comes along with it.
Kidney.
Yeah, kidney.
Okay, let's Google.
Do you Google it? You asked me not to Google it.
Let's Google it.
You are giving me the chance.
Let's Google it.
Okay.
What's kidney in French? In what?
Pardon me, let me say it in French.
Le rien. Yes, that's kidney. Now the ewe. Kidney in ewe. Let me see. There's a lot of stuff here.
Kidney in ewe.
Kidney in ewe.
Kidney in ewe. Kidney. Ah, that's how I call it. You know what aiku is?
So we googled it, and Google is saying aiku, but we are not too sure because aiku is normally beans. We call beans aiku.
But
so
I think it's right. You know what?
it looks like a bean.
Yeah,
the
very
kidney is bean shaped.
Yeah.
So yes,
maybe I'll put an image over there. Its color is even like a beans.
So
Did
maybe
I say beans? A bean.
so maybe that's why you are calling it aiku, but we are not very sure.
So finally, I had 2 wrongs. How many words did you write?
I think 15.
Yeah,
You
I
wrote
did
15
well. 13.
words.
That's
Yes.
an 8 child.
13 out of 15. You did well.
Yeah, I did well. But you
So
gave
yes.
me, I think you gave me easy work.
Really?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, maybe next time I'll give you more complex words.
Yeah, good.
Yes. So that's the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed today's video and you learned from today's video.
Yeah.
Do you have anything to tell our viewers?
Yeah, you guys should subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe.
There's this thing someone taught me. He says, if it is red, make it gray, because gray is the way.
Thank you. Please be sure to subscribe and like the video and
also,
share.
Yeah, don't forget to comment. It's very important.
Comment your thoughts and share with your friends. Okay, you are helping us when you comment, like and share.
She's actually a YouTuber, that's why she's saying it very
Yes,
like
please.
Don't forget
please.
to subscribe to her channel too.
Yes, at Miss _Seni.
Let me
Okay.
Okay, she really needs it. Okay, yeah, Miss _Seni, right?
Yes, that's it.
Even on Instagram.
Yes, I do natural hair videos and videos on how to glow up.
Guess what? In our next video, we'll
Glow
talk
up.
about it.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, we are
I'm
going
going
to
to
talk
ask
about
her tough questions. She actually gave me easy ones, so like it's my turn to actually hit her hard with tough questions. So you guys, see you in the next video.
Yes,
Praise
see you in the
Can't
next
read,
video.
don't pass
Thanks so much for
thesaurus.
watching.
I'm illiterate,
Until
I
the
really
next
don't give a
video.
shit.
Bye.
I don't really give a fuck, bitch, I'm ignorant. Out of town, but my fit New Jersey. Bitch, don't kiss me if you got hurt.